Now that we've opened the occlusal outline form, we can see most of the caries that's still in place. We can see areas of dentine where we have cleared the necrotic dentine, but we still need to remove the softened dentine that's visible on the floor. And for this, we'll use either our hand instruments, the excavator, which I have in my hand now, to gently excavate softened caries, or the other instrument we can use is the slow speed handpiece with the round, slowly rotating burr. Here I have a number 6 size burr, and I'm going to remove the rest of the necrotic dentine with a slowly rotating burr. So use a gentle pressure. If the dentine is softened, it will easily come away from the tooth with light pressure from the round burr. So I've removed most of the softened caries now. I'll wash and dry the cavity. And check the cavity once again, and we can see some residual caries still here in a line angle corner in this part of the cavity, and a very small amount of caries still in this line angle here. So I'm going to now use a second burr, a slightly smaller burr, round steel burr, slightly smaller, so that I'm not removing any of the sound dentine. So this is a number 3 round burr. So I'm going to angle the burr into the line angles, and again using a gentle, slowly rotating pressure, angling again to this line angle, I'm going to eliminate the last of the necrotic dentine. And wash and dry the cavity once more. A final check reveals a very small amount of residual caries in the line angle here. So a final use of the small round burr at an angle to remove the last area of remaining caries. Wash and dry. And a tiny bit more. And wash.